Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of chat privacy. You might have heard of apps like Signal and WhatsApp, which offer end-to-end encryption for your messages. This means that only you and the person you're chatting with can read those messages. No one else, not even the app itself, can access that content. On the flip side, platforms like Discord and Instagram don't provide that same level of security. If they wanted to, they could access your chats. That's where end-to-end encryption really shines. In this video, we'll show you how to keep your conversations private, even on platforms that don't offer end-to-end encryption. Let's get started. In our previous Discord optimization video, we introduced this site that allows you to share sensitive information securely. This site is perfect for sending messages that need to stay private because once the recipient views the message, it self-destructs. This means your chat won't be logged on any app servers. Once you create your text link, you can easily copy and paste it into your preferred messaging app. This way you can share sensitive info without worrying about it being stored anywhere. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Now, let's open the link in a new tab. Here, you'll see the message you shared. The cool part? Once you refresh this page, the message will disappear forever. This ensures that no one can access it after it's been viewed. Next up, we have an open source alternative to the previous site we showed you. This one offers similar features, but with an added bonus. You can also attach images. The steps are mostly the same, so just follow along as we walk you through the process. Let's check it out. Now, all you need to do is copy and paste this link into your messaging app. Only the person you send it to will be able to see the message contents. For even more security, you can create password-protected links. This adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that only the intended recipient can access the information. If you're looking for a way to share images specifically, you can try this self-destructing image site. Just a heads up, it's not as private as the previous site we discussed, but it does allow you to store images indefinitely if you want to. Let me quickly walk you through the process of using this site. And that wraps up our video. We showcase some great options for secure messaging, including an open source alternative. Feel free to try them out and choose whichever one best suits your needs. Remember to use tech responsibly and stay safe online. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the plug-in, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.